It's getting cool right now.
Yeah, I'd agree with that.
You know what else is cool?
Me?
Coolers. Hello, welcome to this episode of Good Tech Sheep. I'm your host, Adrian.
I'm your host, Kevin.
Hey, if you'd like this video, and if you can, please give it a like, please subscribe, and please click on that notification bell to be notified when we drop a new video. Today, we're talking about the LionCooler Pro.
It's a cooler.
It's also a refrigerator.
And it can be used as a freezer. And you know what the best part is?
It's ice-free.
I was going to say that, but yeah. You don't need any ice. Brand new technology and a variety of ways to keep it powered make this cooler a really cool thing to take on the go. As we were just talking about, no ice. It can be used as a refrigerator. It can be used as a freezer. You can plug it into your car. You can plug it into a wall outlet. You can plug it into solar panels that are 90 watts that are actually included. You can get them, and they're custom made and designed specifically to suit the energy needs of the cooler. And you can be out and about camping way up in the middle of nowhere, away from annoying people that you can't stand, and it's just going to keep working.
And how long does it keep things cool with its amazing battery power?
You're going to be cool for half a day.
Ooh,
that's 12 hours.
12 hours.
Yeah, not bad at all. The cooler actually has wheels and a handle, so you can easily transport it wherever you want. The tires are designed so that it is workable on dirt, on sand, on snow, on concrete, on grass. It has a built-in bottle opener. It has an outside storage pouch. It has a lid that can be flipped, so you have cup holders. It has an extra cup holder on the side. It has luggage straps, so you can actually tie it down, make sure it's completely secure. A lot of thought went into the design of the cooler to just give you all these extra options on top that you just would naturally want to have. And there they are.
Wow, that's really portable, and it seems really easy to just charge up or recharge.
Oh yeah, and charge time is fast. We're talking 4 to 6 hours depending on your power source. So you can charge a full half day in less than that amount of time. And as I mentioned, you know, if you have a car, plug it into your carport. If you have a wall outlet, obviously plug it into that.
Wow.
And then the solar panels, the 90 watt specifically designed solar panels that come with it, that you are able to just sustain usage of pretty much indefinitely for a longer camping trip or getting away. All that's really, really cool.
Yeah.
There is an app for it, of course, because if you want to switch between refrigeration and freezing, you can do that with the app. There's an LCD display that's interactive that's actually on the cooler. You can program it there if you like.
So, in addition to being able to use this while it's charging, which is nice in itself, it also has a removable battery. You can use it as a standalone power bank to charge your devices. It has USB charging capabilities, so you can charge your phone, your laptop, whatever you really need to charge. You can take out the power bank from this guy and charge whatever you need to. Pretty nice.
That is an excellent feature. So yeah, if you have the cooler plugged into an alternate source, or you're not even using it at home, those power banks are pretty much a requirement of everyday life now, because we all have so many different electronics. And this is a slightly bigger power bank. You know, it's designed to power the cooler if need be. So really versatile, very powerful, very useful.
Its X230 multifunction power bank is just very nice and very versatile overall. But I think we've done a little bit too much talking. Why don't we?
Yeah, we do talk a lot.
Why don't we do some walking with this cooler?
Yeah. In fact, you know, we might want to just take this out to Knowledge Tree Farms. We haven't been there in a minute.
Yeehaw!
Exactly. All right, here we go. Hey, look, we're outside. Yay! You can tell because there's sunlight and fresh air and all kinds of wonderful things. So look over here. We've set everything up. Here are the solar panels aimed at the sun. It's winter over here, so it's already late afternoon. So we're just pointing everything southwest, but panels are able to get a lot of light this way. And the connection to the cooler is pretty self-explanatory. The cables are all included. It goes right there. So these solar panels are actually charging the cooler. And when it's on, you can barely tell. You can put your hand on it and you can feel the motor working. You can't really hear it. Oh, look what we got here. Some celebratory cold beverages. And you know what? They're already cold, and these were room temperature just a little bit ago. Let's say we celebrate a good cheap video well done in just a minute. Sound all right?
Sounds good to me.
All right.
Oh man, I need to charge my devices. What do I possibly do? Oh, hey, it's right here, the power bank.
It's a pretty cool power bank.
Yeah. So if you want, you can actually take this out. But for right now, I actually want to plug these guys in. And this doesn't, does this have? Yes. And so let me just plug you in right here. And let's see, I want to plug you right here. And let's plug in my devices, shall we? So we have...
So that iPad is charging off of the power bank.
Yep, you can see it right here. Already charging, no problem. Let's grab the second one. Let's see. We have my phone as well. Hello, phone. Let's charge you up. Oh!
Yeah, this is strong enough to charge a laptop, a tablet, a phone, earbuds, smartwatch.
Pretty much whatever you need.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
And to point it out there, if you want to, you can remove it from the cooler and just have it on your desktop. Press the grate down.
Oh. Yes.
There it is.
No problem. And if you want to put it back in, I don't even have to take anything out.
Field test complete.
Mm-hmm.
Report, it worked 100%.
Pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty good overall.
And I don't know if we mentioned it before because we've been kind of just playing with the cooler and studying it for so long. It actually is pretty neat.
Mm-hmm.
Very new technology, which is why you have so many features, so many functions, the app compatibility. Want all of you to do yourselves a favor out there and click on that link in the description below to learn more about the cooler and its various uses and the attachments that come with it that are also very useful, and to find out information about how you can buy one of your own.
Oh yes, it's a very good cooler. Well, I believe that wraps up this episode of Good Tech Cheap. Thank you so much to Lion for sponsoring this video. If you would like to buy the LionCooler Pro, please click on that link in the description below to get more information. Buy one yourself.
There you go.
Yes.
All right. Well, from Los Angeles, California, I've been Kevin.
I've been Adrian.
Stay safe.
Be kind.
See you next time.
Bye.